George, give me a hand with this, mate.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the Garage Style Weekly Vlogs. This is episode 5. We've got an action-packed week. Very busy one today. The guys have just gone over to Broxbourne. They've got a big gym to do over there. And James is heading over to Romford to get a single garage done. And then we're all going to go over to Brentwood and get a double garage done for the Olympic champion Fatima Whitbread. A lot of you will recognise her. She's an Olympic javelin champion. And she was also on I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here. So a familiar face. The press are going to meet us over there as well and do a story on her garage transformation, so that'll be cool, and we'll be filming it along the way. And then we've got a lot more coming this week, so we're going to take the camera out as much as we can, show you guys a few different applications that we're doing this week and take you along. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the rest of this week's vlog.
Jigsaw George, time to shine. Not making it 4-finger George.
Okay, I'd just like to say a very big thank you to all the guys at Garage Style Limited. You can see my lovely new gym now, it's been laid lovely, and looking forward to my first workout as soon as they're out the door.
That's it guys, you've just seen the final floor for Fatima Whitbread, so we've got the floor all done. The press have been and done an interview and got some pictures, so we're looking forward to seeing that. It's all done in our graphite tiles, so now nice and easy for her to keep it clean and looking nice and smart. So that's today done. We're going to head back to the office now and get ready for 4 jobs tomorrow, so we'll get everything loaded up and we'll show you what's to come tomorrow. Right, so busy day in the office today, trying to catch up with everything. We've got our friends from the Creative Station popping down. They've got a gift for us, so we'll be showing you that quickly. You've got to check them out on Instagram, the Creative Station, see what they do, some great products for man caves. So that'll be turning up any minute now, and it's going to be going in the new showroom. So we'll show you that when it arrives. Here we've got our guillotine mechanic changing the blade on one of the guillotines, keep it nice and fresh. How's it going, Ed?
Let's hope it works.
Right here with Jigsaw George today. Oh, hold up. What's that pillow doing in there, George? Did you have a nice sleep?
Yeah, man. Long old journey today, so had to bring my pillow in and have a snooze on the way.
Top of the morning to y'all. We're here down in North Devon, the southwest today. We're doing RP detailing in the studio. This is where he does his Expel PPF and his ceramic coating. We're going to be putting our vented tiles into this. So yeah, it'll look really good when he's doing all his detailing and that. He's also getting some extra lighting in here and a gloss roof, so it'll really like shine off the floor and like really help him out when he's doing his coatings and stuff. That's it, all done at RP detailing. Nice vented tile installation for you. Running completely flush with the doors. Just in time for the gentleman to get this all wrapped up. So as me and George are travelling 4 corners of the United Kingdom at the moment, we thought we'd do a little travel vlog. So here we have Stonehenge. Fun facts on Stonehenge. The biggest stones are weighing at about 22 tonnes, which is about 4 African elephants. The other thing is the archaeologists reckon that it's a burial ground for over 200 people in the 12th century, they believed that Merlin actually magically put them there after giants made them in Ireland. Need to get onto the governor and try and see if Harry can have a little word with Merlin and see if he can magic me and George to all the other jobs that we got this week, because it's not looking promising at the moment.
Hi guys, just arrived up in Liverpool. We got 3 installations today. Quite a long drive getting up here, but the coffee got us through it. This customer is gone for a black and red design because we're up in Liverpool, obviously. And they're also having one of our weather strips to seal the joint underneath the floor where they're getting some water through. So that will sort that out. Thank you. All finished guys. This is our black and red 7mm tiles with our weather strip along the front edge to stop the water and leaves etc. getting into the garage. All finished. Next up we have this double garage. This is going in black and graphite with our anthracite skirting around all the edges. Stay tuned. All finished. This is our black and graphite tiles with our anthracite skirting. Next up we have this double garage. This is going in black and graphite. This is for someone who's very famous on Instagram. You might see their tag behind me there. But yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be a massive difference. They'll be using it as a home gym in the truck.
Right, all finished now in our black and graphite, one of my favourite colour combinations. Nice and easy now that the customer doesn't have to worry about painting the floor or anything like that, which she had the issue with before. So yeah, nice and easy to keep clean with one of our spray mops. And we've also got one of our custom door mats on over here, just to set the garage off. A nice garage style, get in.
Right guys, so that's Friday, week coming to an end. We've got a quick job to do for me and James in Birmingham, so we're going to get that done, then back to Chigwell for another job. Adam and George have had to go up to Newcastle, so they left at 4 o'clock this morning, up there to do 2 jobs, and they'll be back, and then we're all going to do 500 metres tomorrow. So it's been a manic week. We filmed what we can. Thanks everyone for watching. We've got loads more stuff to come next week, and make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment on the video, and thanks for watching.